Welcome to Progress Monitoring with Google Classroom, a guide to goal setting and collecting data using a digital classroom. Hello, my name is Kanissa and I'll be your instructor for this course. I have 10 years of experience as a special education teacher, a Master of Science in Special Education. I'm a certified K-12 special education teacher and a doctoral candidate in curriculum instruction, and I'm also working now as a special education educational technology consultant. I'm so happy that you were able to join this course, and I'm going to give you a preview of everything it has to offer. So, like everything in education, there are some challenges and solutions. I wanted to provide some solutions by offering you this course by using Google Classroom to progress monitor. So, one of the issues that I ran into as a special education teacher is the large caseloads. In one single year, I've had 20 to 25 students on my caseload. One solution that I have is I wanted to collect all the data in their own classroom, in their own place, so that it's all kept together. Another issue is storing the amount of data. How do you store 25 different students with about 3 goals each and keep up with that data? Well, I created this course mainly to teach you how to collect all the data in one place using Google Classroom. As a special education teacher, it's really important to track data weekly for every student. One great thing about Google Classroom is that it simplifies the data collection process. I love making reports, but it's really hard when you have to do everything by hand, or you have to make frequent reports to be up to date with the teacher's demands and also with IEP meetings. Google Classroom allows you to create reports weekly, monthly, and yearly and keep all of your data in one place. It makes it really simple. Also, IEP meeting prep can become really cumbersome when you have to collect a lot of data all at once. By using the progress monitoring with Google Classroom, you're able to collect all the data very quickly for an IEP meeting by just a click of a button. What you will learn in this course: you'll learn how to set up student classrooms. You'll learn about goal-based topics. You'll learn about how to create goal trackers, which your students will track their own goals. You'll create a comprehensive labeling system, and you'll also learn how to archive assignments. The wonderful thing about this course is that it comes with a free guidebook. If you decide to attend the workshop, I will email you a free guidebook at the end that you can use at any time for the rest of your career. Also, I provided a community where I would like to share more information about EdTech. It's called Neurodiversity EdTech Insider Group, and it's held on Facebook. So if you're interested, I will send you an email with all of these resources to be able to join this wonderful community. I would love you to follow me on all of these different social media platforms: Twitter, Facebook, LinkedIn, and the blog. Thank you so much for watching this preview, and I hope you decide to join the course.